Today, what I'm going to speak is on reality. Anything closer to reality, whatever anything which comes closer to reality is barter system, where still it is not a reality because it has needs and need has uh, value, means need led to value and plus based on association with object, you you give value to things, and which led to the currency system from barters. What I said is barter system is the closest thing, not exactly reality, because reality has no value, I think. But whatever you give, when you give value, uh, actually it is not existing in reality. Even that value is not existing. For example, this mobile is an object. Just because I have associated myself with this with this um, with this object, plus depending on the needs, I have given value to it, which has led to currency. But actually it has no value in a reality. In reality sense, it has no value other than need. But in reality, so this is what, when we give value, when we start giving value, which in reality does not exist, is what is called delusion or maya. This is where our perception comes, where we perceive things, and based on that we give values, we agree on values and all these things. But in reality, it is just pure existence. uh, so in actuality, it is just pure existence. Closest thing I told to reality is barter system. But as it grows, as it associates with object, but giving values to the needs, when it starts. But what we are doing is we are. It is not a reality, correct? We are just based on our perception. We are giving values to it. Based on our, we are giving values to it. So this is Maya. But reality is not is the closest thing to barter system, but not exactly barter system. This is what I want to say. Thank you.